Hello friends, it's your favorite friend Isabella here. Today I'm so excited because today I am going to make some delicious Cheetos mac and cheese. But first you need 6 cups of boiling water, which we already put the boiling water here. And you need to put the temperature for like 5. But here it says all that you need. Everything that you need is 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 6 cups of water, 1/4 cup of milk. So, here are all the instructions. We're gonna open this. Alright, so the reason that I am going to eat this is that I love Cheetos and I love mac and cheese. So, I was dreaming that one time I had Cheetos mac and cheese and my dream just come true. Wait, I cannot eat this like this. Alright, so what we have in here is a packet of the cheese. Ta-da! We also have our mac and cheese thingamajiggies. Alright, so step number 1, boil at least 6 cups of water on high in a medium saucepan. Adult supervision? Don't forget that. So now that I'm gonna put the pasta inside the boiling water. Did we get all of it? We did. Alright, so step number 2. Oh wait, we have to cook it for like 7 minutes. So now I am going to be stirring the pasta in the water right now. Oh, and Mr. Will is going to be helping me. I mean, Mr. Mitten. Hello. And we are going to wait until it's tender. And so we are going to make our pasta perfectly tender. Alright, so now that we are going to be waiting for it to like cook for 7 minutes. Alright, what do you call an ant that's cold? What do you call it? Antarctica. Get it? Antarctica from the continents of the earth. Now it's tender. Of course. Now it's adult supervision time. Adult supervisor punch. So now the next step is to drain the pasta. That means the water. And do not rinse, return to pan. That means to like not put like a new water. Okay. So I forgot to tell you guys that we only needed to wait for like 5 minutes, not 7 minutes. So you gotta tell this Cheeto factory that you only have to wait for 5 minutes. Not 7. Alright, so now it's adult supervision time. Oh my goodness! Can you see it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, so now this is one of the last steps of doing the mac and cheese. Alright, so it says to first put 2 tablespoons of butter. So you have to cut it in like 2 tablespoons, which, yeah. If you use like any other material, like salt, here, you see? It says like the tablespoons of how much it is. So here, the ones that are down over here, those are the tablespoons. So we already cut it into 2, so now we're gonna put it in here. All right, smell. See the butter? See it? Yeah. So now that we melted the butter, now we are going to put our 1/4 cup of milk. Oh yeah. So first, I'm gonna put it in here. So here on the handle of the milk thingamajiggy, the cup, here it says that it's 1/4 cup. So now that we have put it inside, we'll just mix it up. Does it have to turn white? Kind of a bit. Yeah. So you gotta mix well the milk and the butter. Till it kind of looks. I don't know. Is it ready? Okay. So now we will put. All right. So the next step is to put our cheese. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Right. Huh? Take a look. It kind of looks a bit weird. It smells really strong. All right. Now this will turn out creamy, cheesy, and so easy to love. So when we're done making it, then we're gonna add some love. Yeah, I kind of dropped some. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. My mom, she is a fan of Cheetos. I just like the puffs. And I also like the flaming hot Cheetos. Wait, can I get some? Okay. So my mom is gonna give me some of the Cheetos powder. Oh yeah, don't waste anything.
Okay.
Kind of turned hot, didn't notice. Ah, I need my glove. So mom is mixing it up right now. See? Ooh. You see it? Oh yeah. So now we are going to put our pasta inside. Holy cow. Okay, this is already going to turn out delicious. Yummy. Alright guys, so this turned out really good right now. My mom is stirring it and doesn't look like the picture. It kind of looks a bit more orange, but it's going to turn delicious. Remember guys, it doesn't matter how it looks like. It just matters how it tastes like. Alright, so now that we're done, do the mac and cheese. We're going to put it inside this pretty bowl, really shiny bowl that I just washed right now. I am so excited to eat this. I can't wait. Alright, so these are the results, as I said, for the Cheetos mac and cheese. Oh my god, that looks so delicious. Thank goodness. Had a hard time mixing this up. So many lumps. That's so yummy. Does it taste like Cheetos? Question. Yes. I hope you guys enjoy your mac and cheese, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the notifications on, everybody. I think this is enough for this time. Oh, thanks for watching. Oh no.